Welcome. In this video, we shall review one more PSU, that is power backed and not power packed. The reason for this title, this stock is powerful for its dividend yield while not powerful for giving aggressive price move. NTPC, a government owned power producer set up in 1975, got its Maharatna status in 2010. NTPC runs 74 power facilities, both its own and joint ventures, producing 75,000 megawatts of power, and has plans to increase the capacity to 1.28 lakh megawatts of power by 2032. A disclaimer, this video is for educational purpose only, will not cover all the aspects of the stock's information, both due to knowledge and time constraints. There are all possibilities that some of the informations might have got left out. There is no recommendations given for buying or selling the stock. Use the information provided as inputs for your evaluation process. Do your homework before making a judgment and decision to buy or sell the stock. NTPC has 21% share of India's total power capacity. This means NTPC touches every individual's life in our country every day. It also has JVs with Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nigeria and Japan to produce power. It feels very proud that we have one of our PSUs that has been setting up plants and running facilities on a global scale. Of its total capacity, 66,500 megawatts is in coal-based power plants. Newer expansions are moving away from coal-based due to pollution concerns. The setup cost for 1 megawatt of power is 5 crores. Can we see the huge asset base that this company has? 3,25,000 crores just for its coal-based plants. What this means? One, this company is huge in its asset base, and two, this sector has a very high entry barrier. Though there have been many private players in this industry, NTPC is one of the PSUs that is held good with its competition. There have been talks that power is being supplied at higher price and that has been hitting the discoms hard. Looks like there will be a correction in the prices of power, while that should not have a big impact on NTPC's profits. Top performing stocks in the market today: Adani Greens 1100%, Alkali Mines 280%, Granules 275%, Birlasoft 215%, Navin Fluorine and Dixon 200%. These are 1 year returns from these multi-bagger stocks. Would you want to have such kind of multi-baggers in your portfolio? Our beginner course will help you learn how to do that. Email us for details. Capital and ownership. NTPC's capital is 9,900 crores. Giant business which can have a huge shareholder base. A company that can fit into every investor's pocket for income needs. It is owned 51% by the government, 24% by the FIIs, 20% by mutual funds and 5% others. Retail ownership is just 1.76%. Mutual funds have increased their exposure in the stock by 5% in the last 1 year alone. This has come for dividend purposes, which the stock is very attractive now, and also the price at the moment is very cheap, which can have good price appreciation in the coming days. Dividends, which were at 50 to 60% per annum, got reduced to 30% in the current year. This actually was a good development to the company because they can use their profits to retire debt and create a big positive impact on their balance sheet. This will give us confidence that dividend income will be there on a regular basis. At 3.7% dividend yield, it is not an attractive stock, while for those who are looking at residential rental income through residential property, this stock can give hassle-free returns which can be higher than the residential rental yield. Along with the income, this stock is attractive for its price appreciation because the current price at which it is now is at the lowest level and has huge potential for growth. This is where the stock becomes more lucrative. Business. Latest annual performance numbers came with 1,10,000 crores of sales and 10,500 crores of profits. With the total population that we have in our country, each individual contributes 77 rupees per annum to the profits of this company. This company is growing at 10% per annum. If it continues to keep the pace, 10 years from now, NTPC will have 2,85,000 crores of sales, and at 10% profit, its profits will be 28,500 crores 10 years from now. Future. Power is being used by every individual. It will only go up in consumption. Our population is growing at 1.1% per annum, and this will be a huge support for NTPC's growth. With our income likely to go up 5x in the next 10 years, more houses are going to get built, existing ones are going to get bigger, more uses of AC, fridge, washing machine and other electronic gadgets. Along with this, big growth in the industrial segment because of the surge in activity that the country will have in the next decade. All this are at a huge advantage for NTPC. Advantages: distributing 30% of the profits as dividends. Today, dividend income is 3 rupees 10 paisa per share, which is likely to be 8 rupees 50 paisa per share 10 years down the line. Today, this income might not be comparable with FD returns, while in 10 years down the line, there will be an exact opposite tilt between interest rates and dividend income. Interest rates are likely to be less than 3% 10 years down the line, while those investments that we have made in the challenging times in our economy will help us fetch more than 4 to 5% returns 10 years down the line through dividend income alone. And added to this, the stock prices that have been beaten up today have only way to go, that is, go up. NTPC stock has a range pattern ever since it got listed. The range was 94 to 242. Now the range got broken on the downside, and this break comes with a huge volume support. So what this means is the stock will stay at whatever price it is for some more time to come. So there is not much downside from here. And the beauty of this pattern is that someone who wants to buy the stock can start accumulating it at a slower pace, while only for income purposes. NTPC is not at all a stock for aggressive investors. If you are building a retirement corpus, have NTPC in your portfolio. It will help you get better returns than FDs in your retirement. Along with that, since you are buying at a lower price, you will also have some appreciation in the stock price, which will make you happy that you are holding an asset which will thrive forever. NTPC will not go down in its business. It will only keep going up. Think when you will stop consuming power. Answering that question will bring a lot of confidence in your mind on this company. One idea, a simple strategy will work well with this stock. Since the stock price is at its lowest now, it has all the potential to go to 150, if not in a hurry, at least in the next 2 years, as we have a lot of economic activity that is going to happen in our country to support the stock price to go up. So buy 100 shares at 85 rupees, paying 8,500 rupees. When the stock reaches 150, sell 50 shares so that you get back 7,500 from your 8,500 investment. Thereby, your cost of investment per share goes to just 20 rupees and your investment is only 1,000 rupees. After that, leave that stock for dividend income. 10 years down the line, dividend that you will get on the 50 shares that you hold will be 425 rupees, giving you 42% yield on your investment. One can buy how much ever stock you want on your account. Only that, don't put all your money into one stock. Like this, there will be opportunities available in the market time and again. Allocate only 10% of your investment to dividend yield stocks. Balance, you put it into some other asset or some other stock which can give you better returns. Thereby, you maintain a balance and also have a confidence that some of your investments will help you get regular income in your retirement. So, NTPC is a real long-term stock. Employ strategies to reduce your cost and enjoy dividend income. For trading, it is a trader's paradise. We have already posted one of our trade videos done on this stock. It gives opportunities both on the upside and downside regularly. We have a group to share thoughts and ideas about trading. If you would be interested in getting trading ideas, please send us a WhatsApp request to our contact available at the end of the video. Thank you.